Because he's having surgery tomorrow.
I thought he was.
Mom always drops me off like 8 blocks from the school. And I have to walk. And someone just looked at me and started laughing. I don't know who it was. Hey guys, I'm back at school. I'm at the schools. And I'm gonna go get some education.
You're so close.
I'm going to choir. I got some complaints that I wasn't vlogging enough. So, here's a Pop-Tart. And yeah, I'll vlog more because of someone. The river in my backyard is like rushing. You can hardly tell from right here though. Like down there, look it. Looks like the ocean. So I have a choir concert that I have to go to, so I have to get ready for that. But it's gonna be really bad because I have to wear this white shirt with this tie. I don't know why I have to wear a tie, but they said it's recommended. But I have to wear a white shirt, and then with my yellow hair, it's gonna look great. So yeah. What is this? And this. And this. I kinda hate my bleached hair now.
Hey guys!
Hey guys, it's Gabe and we're at a choir concert.
Yeah!
And, I'm gonna sing.
Not well though.
Yeah, I'm gonna sing really good because I'm the best singer in the whole school.
Totally.
I'm definitely the best. No one can compare to me. I am Beyonce. Bleached hair. We're about to perform. We can't record, so I'm gonna try to sneak some footage. Okay, so the choir concert's over and I'm at home and I have a bunch of homework I have to do, so peace out. Go.